Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you some faux felted Halloween decor. We're going to start with these cute ghosts, and the reason why they're faux is because their bases are going to be styrofoam. So from Dollar Tree, I was lucky enough to find this roving yarn, which is what you need for felting. I'm also using one of the cones from Dollar Tree. And I also found some felt. Needle felting is something that you need a specific needle for. As you can see, there's little cuts in the needle, and that's what picks up the yarn to start felting your stuff. So I had either a single needle or this one was like a multi-needle. I like to start off with the multi-needle, and I bought mine from AliExpress. So the first thing I did was leaving the plastic wrapping on the cone. I put it on the floor and I started stepping on it so that it was no longer a cone but more like an oval shape. Then I cut off with a serrated knife the top portion, and with a sanding block I rounded the corners. Then I took the roving yarn and I just pulled it, and don't cut it with a scissor, just pull it out, and then very thinly I started wrapping my styrofoam, and with the needles, I was punching it so that it would start sticking into the styrofoam. Once you have it covered with a thin layer of the yarn, just continue adding more yarn, and then you can use your hands to kind of smooth out, just like rub into it so that it starts to become more, less fuzzy. So I did that for the bigger ghost and for the top portion, which is now the baby ghost. And then I took some felt and I cut some eyeballs and a mouth, and I attached them with some glue, and I added a ribbon bow tie for the boy ghost and a little ribbon hair bow for the girl ghost. And that was it. Then I also wanted to make a Pom Pom Garland, so again, using Dollar Tree styrofoam balls, the smallest ones, and this time some orange, roving, yellow, and then some of the white. The orange and yellow I had in my stash because, like I said, I was making candy corns last year, and you can see one is complete and the other one I'm just starting, and it's basically the same directions. So I had all my pom-pom balls. Then I took some ping pong balls instead of the styrofoam because now we're going to make ghosts. So I got some ping pong balls from Dollar Tree, some of these clear elastic hair ties, rubber bands, I don't know what they really call them, but they're also from Dollar Tree. And then I found an old pillowcase, and I didn't cut it, I just kind of tore it to approximately 9 inches by 9 inch squares. Then I placed my ping pong ball in the center of the square, and I picked up 2 corners so that they would meet, and then I picked up the other 2 corners on the opposite side so they would meet, and then now I knew I was in the center of the piece of fabric, and then with the little hair tie I wrapped that around the ping pong ball, and then with some black paint and a stylus I just gave the ghost's eyes and a mouth. Next, it was time to string my garland, and I just used some of the baker's twine and a large needle. First, I made a loop so that I could hang it by a loop on one end, and then I threaded my twine through the needle, and then I just pushed it through the styrofoam pom-pom. And I did white, orange, yellow, and then I took my ghost and I just used my needle to the top of the head, of the fabric, not of course the ping pong ball, and I added that, and then I added 3 more pom-poms and another ghost until my garland was complete. And here it is hanging just temporarily because I made this as a gift for somebody, and Quarantino, of course, is helping me check it out. And that's my completed project. Quarantino and I hope you enjoyed our 2 projects. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.